So KuCoin is one of the premier exchanges when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the top ways that you can earn money with KuCoin. Starting out, if you are a complete beginner, you're going to be able to get the new users only bonuses. So when you sign up, deposit your first crypto, trade, and then also do pro trading tasks, you're going to get rewarded. Now, if I click to view more benefits, you can see over here that I have deposited a small amount of money and I'm able to go ahead and get my reward. So what I'm going to do is select a card, and this is going to give me a reward between 50 cents and 800 USD. So I'm going to select this one here on the right, and I won 2 USDT just for depositing a small amount of money into my account. I only deposited around 5 USDT and I got 2 USDT rewards for withdrawal, and I'm also able to use 10 USDT to trade futures in the future. So that's awesome. And then once you complete your first trade, you'll also be able to get more rewards up to 800 USDT. Now, these rewards are only for new users. So if you already have a KuCoin account, you can probably go ahead and check and see if you have these rewards. But this is, again, just for people who have signed up for a brand new account. Now, the second way you're going to be able to earn money on KuCoin is through spot trading. Now, spot trading is essentially where you're just going to buy a coin and you're going to hold that coin. You can trade any currency against USDT. All you need to do is go up to the top and you can search for all of the different pairs that they have. They have pairs versus Bitcoin or USDT or anything else. So I'm going to go to the USD section over here, and let's say I wanted to buy some XRP. All I need to do is click there, and obviously I'm probably not going to buy XRP right now. It's just had a massive pump. But if you wanted to buy some, all you would need to do is click on market buy, and that would exchange your USDT into XRP so that you can make money on the price of XRP going up. For example, if you got into XRP down here, right, just before it started to pump, you would have turned probably $50 into literally over $150 in just a few days if you were holding XRP when this pump happened. So that's how this would work. You'd come in here and you'd see maybe a coin that's sitting like this where it hasn't really done anything in a while. You can go ahead and purchase that coin on spot, and if that coin pumps, you're going to be able to make a profit on the price appreciation. So that's essentially how that works when it comes to spot trading. Again, you can trade any number of cryptocurrencies against USDT, against Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency that you may have. Now, the next way that you can make money is through futures trading. Now, this is a bit more advanced, but this will allow you to use leverage to trade against these different cryptocurrencies. If you verify your account, you're able to leverage trade up to 125x, but that is extremely risky. I would recommend not doing more than 5x. Essentially what that means is if you had $100 of USDT, you can borrow 5x that amount. So if you had $100 worth of Bitcoin, for example, and you took a 5x leverage loan against that money, if the price of Bitcoin went up by 20%, you would double your money and make 100% because it's 5x leverage. However, if Bitcoin went down 20% in this example, you would now have $0 left because it's gone down 100% versus the margin that you actually used. Now, hopefully that makes sense, but this is definitely for advanced users, and I would highly recommend you don't do this if you are brand new. But if you do want to check it out, make sure you go over to their futures markets. All you need to do is go up here to derivatives and go to futures overview. Now, the next way that you can make money is through their trading bots. This is under the trade section and then Trading Bot Pro. Now, this is where you can set up a grid trading bot that's going to make you money over time as it buys and sells these different cryptocurrencies for you completely on autopilot. I have a full video explaining exactly how to use these trading bots on my channel. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, I will leave a link at the top of the description for you to go ahead and watch. That is going to show you exactly how to set up these grid trading bots so you can make passive income without doing anything with cryptocurrencies on KuCoin. Now, the next way you can make money with KuCoin is under the KuCoin Earn. This is where you're able to earn passive income on some of your coins. For example, here you're able to make around 3% per year on your USDT. And they also have some high yield coins. So this is Bitcoin bullish. So this is just between this price range. Honestly, I would stick to just the low risk, and I would only use the ones that are a fixed income. Now make sure if you're going to be choosing one that has a high APR, you want to make sure that that coin is actually a stable price and isn't something that's just going to go down. For example, these two here, if you were to put these in here and get a fixed 45% per year, you need to make sure that this travel coin is actually not going to lose more than 45% in a year, right? Or even 20%, because if it does, you're going to lose money. So be sure to keep that in mind. And if you are looking for a coin to get APR on, I would choose either just a stable coin or Bitcoin or Ethereum. But remember, this does entail risk on KuCoin's end. Now, the next way you can make money is by staking, which is essentially where you just stake your coins. Now, this has much less risk, but it is also dependent on the value of the coins going up or down over time. So if you know that a coin is stable like TRX, and you know that you don't want to use it for a long amount of time, or Atom, for example, or even Ape, and you know that you're not going to be selling them for a long time, you can go in here and you can subscribe to keep your coins in there for a certain lockup period to earn this APR. So for example, if you wanted to lock up some KSM here, you would get a 10% APR and it would take you 7 days to redeem. So that means that if you wanted to claim your coins back, you'd have to wait 7 full days before those coins would be put back into your wallet. All you need to do to actually lock these coins up and get this APR is, again, click over here on subscribe and select the amount of coins that you would like to actually stake. KuCoin also offers crypto lending, which is where you can lend out your coins and get a APY on those coins. So this is another way to do it. This is more risk than just staking, so I don't really recommend this one to you, but it is something to check out. Now, the next thing you can do is become an affiliate for KuCoin and actually make money by promoting KuCoin and getting people to join. So you can actually earn up to 60% commissions on somebody's trading fees once you refer them to KuCoin. You're also able to help people save money on fees by using your affiliate link, and then you're also going to get a commission on those fees. So you're going to earn a little bit less commission, but you're actually helping people out by saving them around 20% on their trading fees. In fact, if you want to save 20% on your trading fees right now, I will have my affiliate link linked at the top of the description for you to check out so that you can start earning with KuCoin. And that's it. That's my top ways to earn money on KuCoin. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, feel free to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.